Well, hello there and greetings to you. It is Matt, the Real Video Guy here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the ThriveCart integration for your MasterClass, and I'm going to be using the latest version at the time of recording this video of MasterClass plugin, which is version 1.0.36. So here we are in the WordPress admin, and before we can link our masterclass with ThriveCart, just make sure it's published. So over here I can see I've got this in draft at the moment, so I'm just going to go ahead firstly and click publish, and that way we'll be able to successfully go through the full process. If we are setting up a paid masterclass, the first thing we want to do is we want to also make sure we've got require login and require enrollment active, and then we're going to go here and set up API enrollment. Now we've got the API enrollment option here. Let's select it, and down here we've got our API enrollment options. We've got ThriveCart selected, and there's basically two steps. So the first step, we need to create a callback webhook. Now the awesome thing about the way ThriveCart works with this is we set this up once, and then we can super fast and easily link ThriveCart purchases with different masterclasses in our WordPress admin. So here we go. We're just going to go ahead and click this to reveal your webhook URL, and it's going to generate a webhook URL with a custom key at the end of it. So this way you can keep it nice and private. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that to copy it, and we're going to go to our ThriveCart account, and from the top navigation here I'm under settings, and from here we can find API and webhooks. I'm just clicking to view that, and then we're going to select webhooks and notifications, view settings. And from here I can add currently up to 5 webhooks, and the cool thing about it is that one webhook for that website, that domain, will work for all your masterclasses. So if you create 100 different masterclasses, you only have to do this once. Now if you do set up a masterclass on a different domain, then you'll always obviously need to set up a webhook for that particular domain. So here we go. All you need to do is click here to add another webhook, and you can give it a name which is for your own reference here, and we're going to paste in that webhook callback URL and click save this webhook, and you'll get a notice there that it's all good to go, and this part is done. So let's go back to our instructions here, and we can see step 1, set up webhook in ThriveCart. Now we've done that one, we can move to step 2. So here we go, step 2, link up the product purchase with your masterclass, and we do that by using tags. Now what I did in the latest version here is I added a ThriveCart product link tag helper. So with your ThriveCart products, they've all got a product number, and then you can put that number in here and link it with this particular masterclass. So let's do that. We are back inside of ThriveCart here, and under my products here, we've got products, upsells and downsells just in the products tab, and all we need to do is just click on edit of the product that you want to link with the masterclass plugin. If you don't have the product, you can go ahead and create it, but when we click edit, we can get the product number. So clicking edit here, we can see in the URL we've got product/8. So the number 8 is my product number for this one, and we'll use that number 8 to link it with our masterclass plugin. Now while we're in here, we need to check one other thing. If we go to the checkout tab here and we go to customize option, we need to make sure that we're collecting the customer's name, and that way it can create the account for them inside of WordPress. So from here, in the checkout tab here, we can choose edit requested fields, And from here we've got collect customer's name. So just make sure you've got first and last name selected. You can get away with first name only, but I'd highly recommend having first and last name selected. Save your changes, go ahead and save that as well. And now we can grab this number 8 and we can go back to our MasterClass plugin and we can just go standard product, put in our number 8 and let's link the purchase. So now anybody that purchases this product will be automatically added to the MasterClass or enrolled in the MasterClass. So click in link product. We can see it's been linked successfully. The page will reload and that way it's going to refresh itself. And here we can see in the tags now we've got ThriveCart product 8. So if we wanted to remove this from that product, we can just exit from here and click update. Also, if we want to add any other masterclasses to that same purchase, we can just add it as a tag, or then we can go through the same process we did previously and use the tag tool. So let's go back and have a look at other types of products. So going back to API enrollment, ThriveCart, scrolling down, and we've also got the option for product bump. So in ThriveCart, you've got the option with your purchases to add a bump to your product. So here by selecting bump, I've got this little upsell that they'll get prompted as they're going through the checkout. If I want to have a bump where they actually get a different masterclass or a bonus masterclass, and I want to use the bump of a purchase to enroll them into a bump, then we can select the same product here. We've got product 8 like previously, but we select the product bump option instead of the standard product. So adding this product bump, put number 8, and then we can just link the product. So there we go, we've successfully linked this product, and now you can see this particular masterclass is linked to any purchases of ThriveCart product 8 and also ThriveCart product 8 bump. So that's got to be enrolled. Now we've got one more type of purchase inside of ThriveCart that we can link, and that's got to be, let's go back to our products. And here I've created an upsell, and if you want to learn how to create upsells and funnels inside of ThriveCart, that's going to be ThriveCart training, and there are some good videos on that already. That's outside of what I'm doing. I will do the MasterClass plugin side of it, but from here you can also use an upsell in your masterclass to enroll a person with an upsell. So in the upsells tab here, if I click edit, you can see in the URL here I've got upsell number 2. So if I want to link this upsell into a masterclass, maybe I'm selling a premium version of a course, or maybe a more advanced inner circle course, something like that, I can have that as an upsell, and then in my masterclass I would go to that particular masterclass, go to the API enrollment, and we can just use the ThriveCart product link tag helper to do it for us. We choose funnel upsell and we put in that number 2. Let's link the product, and there we go. Now we've also got downsell as a product, and you're going to see that in possibly the next update. So there we go, super awesome, super easy ThriveCart. It's a fantastic platform, and now you can fully integrate it with your MasterClass plugin. So hey, it's Matt the Real Video Guy here. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.